We're going to do a brief video on GBPUSD, the British pound versus the dollar. Take a look. It's made some new highs today again, and it's kind of amazing that it continues to do that, but it has made new highs again today. We've broken across or through this approximately 1.147 zone here, and it's made some new highs. I'm kind of surprised, but it has made new highs. It's above the 5, it's above the 20, still below the 200-day moving average, so it's still formally in a bear market, but it's doing good. It's good. The pound is moving up against the dollar, which is, again, I think kind of surprising. Here's an hourly chart. You can see it's got a strong, nicely traded movement. Keep in mind the hourly charts are a little funny because you get a lot of dead space in the evenings, but this thing came across here. This is basically evening trades through here, but you can see we had a nice rally above the 20-day moving average. We're clearly above the 40, so this is a very healthy market. That's kind of surprising to see, and it's been selling down a little bit. It's been taking care of itself, so even though it's up there, it's a little overbought today on an hourly basis, and I expect it to drop down here to about 1.155 tomorrow, or maybe even tonight, and correct that. But this is a nice little market. If we get below and significantly close below the 20-day, the 20-hour, then you can expect a breakdown here similar to this. So your top to bottom break might be as much as, go from, say, where it is 1.16 all the way down to, I would say, probably down here to 1.14 if it breaks hard. So if we don't get a bounce off the 20-hour, we will probably break down to the 1.14 to correct what the market's going to perceive as an overbought situation. I think it looks pretty good. I don't really think it's in any trouble of breaking down, but it probably will sell off some to avoid that in the future. My guess is it's going to sell off a little bit, as I say, down to the 1.14. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about it today. For GBPUSD, we have 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods. These are trading days. And we have down here for the 27th, tomorrow, shorts at 1.153, 1.16 for the 2-day, 1.16 all across. So 1.153 for the 1-day and 1.161 all the way across for the 20-day. So consistent with my analysis, it looks like it's going to take a break tomorrow and short a little bit, but who knows? It's all for entertainment purposes only, and you definitely trade at your own risk. You can get access to all of this by 7 a.m. in the morning, and if you tune in early, usually by 6 p.m. the night before, to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Access is free, no credit card required. Just go over there, put in your email address, and get instant access to everything you see. Keep in mind, everything is for entertainment purposes only, including my commentary and the entry prices. You can only use them for entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we would love to hear it in the comment section below.